This is the demo of the shell catcher made by LPG Works for the Browning Silver 12 gauge semi-auto. This shell catcher installs by hooking over the ejection port and then over the top of the gun. And to install it, we want to make sure the bolt is locked to the rear. And to install this, you want to hook the shell catcher onto the ejection port and then press down until it clicks onto the receiver. There is a little notch here that will allow you to insert a round brass end first when loading, and I will do a 3-shot demo for you to see how it works. And when you shoot the round, it will catch it, and you can remove it by pushing it forward and pulling it out of the gun. And to uninstall the shell catcher, simply just pull up on it and it will come right off the receiver. These are available on the website at lpgworks.com.